Wow, has it actually been 2 years? Sorry, guys, I am getting old and I'm a slacker. Welcome, everyone, to the greatest Access tutorial ever reboot. I'm your host, Jeremy, and I'm here to help you learn how to do Access database stuff, whether it's database concepts, coding concepts, interface concepts. Um, whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or an advanced person, you'll get something out of this course. I've been a full-time database guy for about let's say 7 years, over full time actually. And I want to share my love of databases and everything database, specifically through Access, with this channel. So there you have it. One moment, I've got a da da da. Oop. So how does this channel exactly work? So there's going to be episodes that are beginner, intermediate, or advanced. You'll have practical exercises in almost every episode. That means hopefully you will have your own copy of Access on your computer and you can follow along with the tutorial, because we'll be using those examples in further episodes. They'll kind of build upon one another. There'll be simple bite-sized lessons, maximum, let's say 20 minutes or so, unless I just get really in depth. And my goal is to have at least 3 videos weekly so you can follow along and really get the most out of this channel, really, and start to grow your expertise. Now, how does this channel work? You may have come here from other videos that linked back to this channel. This is called the Decoder ring. And on the left-hand side, there are numbers that correspond to the topic that the video is about. So for instance, this video number will be 0.1, which is the first video in this topic, which is channel announcements and info. Our next video, if you follow along, is going to be video 1.1 tables, and they'll have a title, but you'll see the 1.1 in the front of every video. And that's describing, okay, this video is about tables and it's the first video in that series. Now, sometimes the the videos will follow along with one another. Sometimes it'll be just after episode 1, you'll need to go to episode 2, and sometimes it'll skip around. But don't worry, you won't get lost, because what I'll do is I'll have a suggested follow-on video at the end of that video. And I'll also have it linked in the description. So for instance, if we move from episode 1.1 to 2.1, so from 1.1, which is tables, to 2.1, which is intro to forms, you'll know that. I'll tell you at the conclusion of each video, and again, they'll be linked in the comments. Eventually, once I have enough videos, I'll have playlists on the YouTube channel. That way you can just find the playlist and start going from there. So I'm here to help you. I'm here to hopefully help you learn a lot about database concepts, coding, specifically in VBA, SQL, structured query language, and how to use Access itself. Now, how can you help? If you find this video useful, if you find this channel useful, please consider subscribing. It super helps the channel, both to get it out to more people and because it motivates me. Because if I see people like the video and subscribe, I'm like, oh, this is actually helpful. And I've already mentioned liking, so if the video is particularly good, like it, and if you have the time, put a comment in there or even a question. I try to get to the comments as I see them. I can't guarantee anything because I'm still a full-time database guy, but I will do my best. And that's the end of this intro video. Thank you so much for joining. I look forward to an immense journey we're going to have together. The first video that I would recommend if you're a brand new Access person is video 1.1, which is about tables. It'll be linked in the description below. God bless. Have a great day.